Do you love pizza? Who doesn't? Making pizza at home is super fun, and you can make it just the way you like.
First, let's gather what you'll need. Remember, always cook with a grown-up nearby.
You'll need a ready-made pizza base, pizza sauce or ketchup, and lots of grated cheese, like mozzarella. And don't forget your favorite toppings: veggies, pepperoni, olives, or maybe even pineapple. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Ask an adult to help you set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Safety first. Step 2. Spread the sauce. Take your pizza base and spread the sauce all over it with a spoon. Don't forget to leave a small border around the edges. That's going to be your crust. Step 3. Add the cheese. Sprinkle the grated cheese over the sauce. This is the best part. It makes the...
Step 4. Add your toppings. Now comes the fun part. Be creative.
Ask an adult to put the pizza in the oven. Bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Wait until the cheese melts and the edges turn golden brown.
Let it cool for a few minutes. Then, have an adult cut it into slices and enjoy your yummy homemade pizza.
Tip: try making mini pizzas with small bases. They're even more fun to decorate.
Making pizza at home is tasty, a great activity for family time. And now you're ready to become a little pizza chef.